Today guys, I wanted to show you this fantastic steamer I got from Aldi at the weekend. $30. In conjunction, I used my ENJO cloths. I'm going to show you how clean I got my cooker front. All you do is fill the 250 mils of water into the steamer, wait for the light to go off, and it's ready to use. So you can see the state of my oven there. It's been in a bit of a need of a clean for a while. So as you can see, the steam's got plenty of steam. It's got the little brush attachment, and it's really good. I mean, look at that, how it's moving the grease. All up, this took about 40 minutes with a couple of refills in there, and the time allowed for it to boil back up. So yeah, no more than 40 minutes easy. The ENJO cloths are a godsend for mopping up the water and just giving that fantastic clean and following the steamer. I mean, the steamer's doing most of the work, to be honest, but this is the hardier kitchen cloth, which has got like little scouring strips on the underside. No, can't scratch, and it's all natural, and it's a really good product. But as you see, the steam is getting off, and I'm just following it around, just getting it nice and clean. So again, just rinsing out the cloth there, and just nearly there. So you see the little black scouring cloths there. Just had a bit of a stubborn stain on that left side there, but I just kept going and kept going and kept going, and eventually it did come off. So look at that finish already. Look at the steam. It just does not stop with the steam. So that's what you want from a good steamer, so you can just get on with the job, not having to wait for it to boil up, slow down, or do whatever. So it's really good. And I'm really pleased about my cloths as well. They're fantastic products. I've had them quite a while, and they're really good. On this bit, I've just want to finish off with some marble paste that ENJO also sell. You need the tiniest amount, it'll last forever. I've had it a while now, and I've still got loads left. And as you can see, I'm still trying to get that bottom corner perfect. So yes, that's the marble powder. Like I said, only a small tub, but honestly, it goes such a long way. You only need a little bit. And then I've just got my general purpose cloth just to go over, and my fantastic tea towel. Look at that, just well. Look at the shine on that black rim round the window. Look how good that is to when we started. So I'm just finishing the surround, just, you know, polishing up the steel, giving it a bit of a shine, and the cloths are fantastic for that. No chemicals, no harmful stuff, no nothing. And look at that, how fantastic is that? A lot better. Look at that, it's like new again. So this $30 steamer from Aldi, fantastic. Some of the attachments and bits and bobs that it comes with, and my ENJO collection after they've been through the washer.